Please, shut her up.
I'm right here. Hey guys, what's up, Idumi Gang? I hope you're having an amazing day because I'm having an amazing day. So if I'm amazing day, you all should be having an amazing, happy day. I'm wearing the same clothes. Once again, we're heading to the studio. I know I keep saying it. We're gonna go to the studio to do like the finishing touches. Today is different, I promise. Today, I'll just keep going there to perfect it. And today is the day. That's only because to make it perfect for you guys.
Yeah, so today we're getting the master copy. That's it.
Master. That's it. Master copy, and that's it. So you excited? Yeah. You ready? You ready, cuz? Huh?
I'm tired, bro.
You tired? Don't be tired, man. It's all gonna be worth it, you know what I'm saying?
I'm pouring in a car. Marv.
What's the other guy's name? I forgot his name.
Harry, bro. Marvin Harry.
Do you guys have iced?
What's the other guy's name? I forgot his name. Harry, bro. Marvin Harry. Do you guys have iced caramel latte?
Iced caramel latte?
No, iced caramel latte. Iced caramel? You know caramel? The flavor caramel. Chocolate caramel.
Iced caramel latte?
No, iced caramel.
You don't know caramel?
Iced caramel. You know caramel. The flavor caramel. Chocolate caramel.
Mocha.
No, not mocha. Caramel. You don't know what caramel?
You know Nutella?
Nutella.
Guys, the funniest things keep happening to me. Whenever I looked at him and I'm like, order food or anything like that. Order 2 croissant with cream cheese, and then someone's like, no, Adam, man, I don't want one, man. It's all good. Don't get 2, bro. I don't want one, man. It's all good, man. Thank you. And I looked at him and I'm like, those 2 are for me. It's not for you.
One of the best football players, Odell Beckham, representing the New York Giants.
You know what I'm saying?
And also representing your haircut.
Haircut? Hey, I love his hair, man.
Yo, be careful, because right now all the Beckham's actually pretty hated for how we played against with the Giants.
I don't care if he's hated, you know. You gotta still love someone even if they're hated. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Can you put whipped cream on it, please? Dad, do you know how to do the dad?
Huh?
Do you know how to do the dad?
No.
Like this. Dad. No, yeah, ready? Set. Dad.
Dad.
Say Anna.
Anna.
No. Anna.
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 أكل
Akul.
خرا.
Khara.
Say it again.
Anna.
Yeah. أكل
Eko.
خرا.
Khara.
That means like I love chocolate.
Oh.
So do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate.
You love chocolate? Alright, so whenever you say you want to say Anna,
Anna.
Akul.
Eko. Khara.
Yes, you got it. I'm joking, don't say that.
What does it mean?
It means I eat poop.
This has no bacon, huh?
No, it's okay. First of all, they never gave us, me and Nikki,